My name is Jada Vinci. I'm so excited to be on this week's episode of Nailed It. They said that we're going to be doing the Dalgona coffee. It's new viral kind of coffee. A little back history about me. I'm a beauty blogger. I'm a mom. If you follow my Lavish Lovers family channel, you do know that I cook all of our dinner. I love to make tacos, shrimp tacos, you know, just all the easy stuff. I am a chef. I did go to culinary arts when I was in high school. I took a little bit of cooking classes, so I could consider myself to be an at-home baker. I enjoy making brownies from the box. I enjoy making Toll House cookies, kind you just scoop. You really gotta be persistent on the scoops, you know, so they can all bake evenly. I watched all of the episodes of Nailed It, so I know that I got it. So today we're gonna be making the Dalgona viral iced coffee, whipped coffee, and I know that I'm gonna nail it. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode of me nailing the Dalgona potato iced coffee, and catch you guys at the end on the taste test. Instructions call for 5 teaspoons of coffee, 5 teaspoons of sugar, and 4 teaspoons of hot water. Very easy, you'd think. Next, we're gonna start whipping. We're gonna whip it. I whipped it as hard as I could. I even took the hand blender out, y'all, and whipped it. I don't know about this, y'all. Everybody else's on YouTube seems to be like a lighter brown. And I just went on ahead and added another teaspoon of water. But yeah, everybody else's seems to be light brown. Like it's a French vanilla or something, I don't know. And a little BTS. I don't really like coffee, but when I saw it online, it looked really good. Let me know in the comment sections what coffee did you use. Maybe I used the wrong coffee. Yeah, my arm. Maybe I should have watched one more YouTube video. It's definitely not turning. My husband is gonna tell me not to waste our coffee. So I added another teaspoon of the coffee and another teaspoon of sugar just so it could have the same mix that they had. I want y'all to know that I'm actually trying. But do y'all see what it's looking like? Does coffee expire? I'm just wondering why it's not turning light brown like there. I'm gonna try to whip this up some more and we'll see. So let's remind the audience on what we were trying to create, and let's show the audience what we created. Oh my God. I think we nailed it. Oh my God. Let's go try it. We're gonna stir this bad boy up. It's kind of starting to look like chocolate milk, and I am very scared. Are you even allowed to drink coffee grind like this? Because I don't think you're allowed to drink this. I taste all the coffee grounds. We're gonna strain the coffee grounds out of here, then we'll come back and taste it. You guys, even straining the coffee beans was a fail. So I'm gonna just attempt to taste it again. I mean, because for what it's worth, it's kind of good. Like it's good. The milk makes it good, but these additional coffee beans, are they edible? Like, are you allowed to eat ground coffee like this? And I mean, it's good. For me not to be a coffee person, I feel like I saw the potential. Did I nail it? I think I nailed it. I would have gone to the next one. I probably would have got the golden hat because I mean, it's good. You guys, in the comment sections, let me know what kind of coffee I probably should have used. I feel like the potential is there. Babe, come try this. The judge.
What's up, y'all? So I drink coffee.
You don't want to put the coffee beans around?
The grounds.
Get in the camera so they can know how good. Yeah, Dad.
It's good.
It's good. Like the potential's there.
Yeah, just need something to strain the coffee grounds out. It tastes bomb.
Right, it's good, but
I love it.
The coffee ground. Did we nail it? You got a coffee ground on your face? I think we nailed it. Let me know in the comments if you've tried it. If you've tried the viral coffee gondola. I don't even remember what it was called, to be honest. Clearly I didn't pay that much attention to the instructions because I completely failed, or I used the wrong kind of coffee. Let me know in the comment sections below what kind of coffee I should have used, and if you tried it, did you love it? Do you like coffee? I really don't like coffee. I don't know why I drank it, but I did it for you. Say bye. Now we're gonna have all of the energy because we just drank the whole coffee ground. Da 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 da. Right? Alright. Go Sully, go Sully, go Sully, go Sully. This is why I don't drink coffee. Go Sully, go Sully. Bye. Another motherfucking bitch try me. They gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like Jay and Beyonce.